I don't know if this thing is catching anything or not, but whatever. Very windy, which would screw it up if we were still playing with the Bluetooth. Very windy. It's just like it's a pleasure to fly it now, compared to the Bluetooth controller and flying it with your phone or with the FlyPad. The FlyPad is a complete joke, by the way, because it doesn't matter if you have the FlyPad, but you're flying it Bluetooth and then it just loses connection once it goes too fast. Which now I don't have that problem, thanks to the Skyviper flight controller. That window, well, yeah, just showing you guys, but yeah, it works very well, very well.